This giving me Michael Jackson Thriller vibes. Yeah. You too. Yo, what up? Welcome back to another video with your boy Larry Reacts.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Today we're gonna be reacting to Ateez I'm the One official music video. Now the other day I reacted to the Ateez official trailer, but I had no idea that it was a whole music video coming out with it. It dropped today, so we're gonna react to it. I'm not gonna talk too much more. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and we're gonna get straight into it. Oh, the singer in this music video going crazy. I'm liking it already, and they got the drip. Yeah. I like Ateez. They going crazy. They going crazy out here. Man, look at the background. I like Ateez. They visuals go crazy. And they good artists too. This K-pop right here, they look like some rock stars to me. Yeah. What's going on? Yeah. What does Bonera mean? Can somebody tell me in the comments below? Bro, the visuals on this video is going crazy, man. Whoever made this video, they is cold. And this go hard. Yeah. This giving me Michael Jackson Thriller vibes. Yeah. Bro, they is lit up in the video, man. The energy is super up. And Ateez, I'm the One. Yeah, I'm fucking with Ateez. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna have to check them out for sure. Can y'all please leave me some more songs down in the comments below so I can dive deeper into them. I'm definitely fucking with these guys. But that's gonna do it for today's video, everybody. Appreciate y'all for joining. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and I'm gonna see y'all next time. Peace.